So as you can see right here inside the bag, I have a small little Plano box that I have a couple different hooks and one click bait and some weights, and it fits pretty nicely in the small pouch right there. Over here I have my wallet again. I didn't fill this up completely, but there's a whole lot more cases I'm gonna look for in like smaller pouches that I can put baits in, but have some stick baits, different brands, some lizards, and that's about it. I'm just gonna be throwing soft baits today in that pouch. Then right here is the pull tab for the CCW, which I have right there. Which is my little Glock 43, and there's an extra mag holder. This is made by Vanquest. I've had this for a while. You can adjust it for different guns, and it has a hook and loop, so you can put that in there, but it fits very nicely with the Glock 43, not too thick. And from what I've known or read online, there's a lot of other brands that make different ones, and then there's still even more pouches, little like spots are here to put extra magazines or knives or anything you want to put. But that's pretty, I really like the pull tab on it right there. Allows it to open up a lot faster compared to other guns or other tactical fanny packs that I have, which I'll do reviews on. What's up, YouTube? It's GOATX here, and I got the 511 utility chest pack, or you call it a chest rig. I want to test it out, but also I wanted to make it tailored to my fishing, so that way I'm able to put pliers right here. I got some clippers on this other side tucked in here, and then in the front pocket I have my artificial baits with my hooks, sinker weights, everything like that. And then in the back part, it's a CCW in case anything gets wild out here while fishing in the jacks. But let's go ahead and dig in, and I'll show you just what's all inside this setup. So right now I'm over here at the Danes Point Bridge. I brought my Shimano Stratic Bulls Bay rod that I got from Strike Zone with a little paddle tail. I just wanted to throw it and get out, get some fresh air, check out the water, and see how it feels using the 511 chest rig. Now I've been looking into a lot of other different setups, but this one just seemed to be the best budget friendly one, especially since Black Friday just passed. I got it on sale for $48, and if I don't like it, then I don't feel too bad about not heavily using it. But if it's something that I really want to get, then I think that I could look into some of the higher quality, more expensive brands out there also that have a larger capacity. So far it's able to fit a lot of nice items that I need and carry. Fishing pliers to unhook the fish go on the bottom, and some clippers. I utilize the little tabs on the front. I also put my CCW on the back section with a hook and loop Velcro insert. And let's go ahead and cast the line out and see if I could get any little bites. Tide's going out. It's already 4:08 p.m. and it's 60 degrees. This morning it was a low of 38, but it's feeling pretty good right now. The paddle tail right here, Redfish Magic. I don't think I've ever caught anything with it, but I'm still trying. So I'm going ahead and switch this out. It's basically like a spinning bait. So as you can see right here with the chest rig, I can just grab my clippers, cut that off, and put these back in there. And then in the front pocket, you can just stash this. And I want to try this rattle trap that's for saltwater. So then I'll just take this out and then see if this will fit in that box, which it does. It's pretty cool because, let me just get this attached and I'll tell you what I think, why it's cool. So I got my rattle trap on, saltwater edition, and now if you look in here, kind of flip it open a little, it doesn't spill outward, so I like that. So I'm able to access, I got some soft baits right here, some DOAs, some Z-Man title tails, stick those into one side, got some DOA shrimp, and then the center pocket I have some jig heads in a little bag. And then I put this box, which had the rattle trap, into one of the little pockets. I got some other chatterbait jig heads. I got my wallet. And then I have this box right here. It's a Plano dual compartment, which is pretty cool because, I mean, I'll show you this later in more detail, but I have like some sinker weights for when I use live bait and set up a Carolina rig. And then I have all my circle hooks right in there. I got some other jig head hooks and some swivels all right in this pocket. And then I can just close this up. It's kind of tight, but it works. And if there's some stuff that I really don't need, or especially when I go bass fishing, it's going to be a whole lot less stuck. Thickness pretty much full to the max, but that's how it's working so far. And there's another set of pliers on the bottom, which these are Cast Kings, and they're already kind of rusted on the tip, but they are still pretty good. They can cut the line. I'm gonna get some new ones from Bubba, but I like this little sheath that it has. It fits perfectly on the bottom, and it has a wire clip right there, carabiner thing, so that way in case, you know, I use these for just clipping, I need to pull the hook out, boom, right there. Should be right here. This right here, in case you got fish with teeth, you can use this, grip them right there, take them out, the hook out. That fits pretty nice in the front, and that's, I'll show you a little bit better view, but that's what's so far inside this. So I was fishing over there at that pier, but I want to go ahead and get on this other side. So look, I have these hiking shoes that have a lot better grip, some Hoka, and hopefully it'll help me from sliding on these slippery rocks as the tide's going down underneath Danes Point Bridge. So far the chest rig has been working out well. I'm able to switch out lures and have all my gear in my work area and not have to worry too much about having a backpack, lowering it on the ground, or, you know, having to bring my Yeti bucket unless I'm driving the FJ like to the beach or gonna sit at the pier for a long time with live bait. So it's working out well, and I want to show you more in detail. Well, let's cast this paddle tail out, see if we can catch something out here in the jacks. Fish are jumping right in front of my face, but I'm gonna go ahead and call it. Main goal today was to test out the 511 chest rig, and just to ensure that I liked the way it felt, I put enough gear in there to accomplish what I needed to do for today's little fishing trip. And I wanted to also share with y'all a way that you could use chest rigs, and you know, everybody else has their other need and want for it, but this is just my idea to use it for fishing. Hopefully I can test and review some other chest rigs in the future, so make sure you subscribe and check out my Instagram page, Greatest of All Texas. Check me out. I have stickers, patches, and merchandise. And take care, be safe. GOATX out.